Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda, I've been on the road, I've been taking toll. I just wanna roam, I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower. Party on occasion, I should ease the weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know, is you falling through? Tell me what the move is.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I am doing amazing today because I have the most beautiful wig to talk about. This is literally got me shook out of my boots, okay? This is a frontal wig and it's glueless, and I did a flawless glueless install and it is frontal. What? Today's hair sponsor is Julia Hair. I have worked with them many times on my channel. The last review that I did was a beautiful highlight curly wig. If you haven't watched that video, go check it out. I'll try to link it below because my mind was blown with that wig. It was just absolutely gorgeous. But this wig, let me tell you something, girls. You better run over there and get this wig. They're going to sell out because this is some next level beauty. What I have installed today is a 26-inch 13x4 HD frontal wig. This also is a glueless unit because it comes with a strap. You want to take it off, you can take it off. You put your hairline too close, you can push it back. Too much forehead, push it closer. On a frontal, baby, beautiful.
It's leaving, why you always leaving? Know you want that repeat. Yeah, it ain't no way around it. We got a danger about us. You got your way about you, not much to say about it. Still have your way around me. They say it was something special. Is it better where we left it? All this inside of my head. Know when you're ready, I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna feel something.
Okay, so today's backdrop color is orange because we have Julia Hair, and of course the color theme is orange. Let's try her on without any lace tint or anything like that.
Ain't got no time to fight. I'm talking way too loud. And if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out.
Well, I've seen it all. This is definitely a straight wig that you can wear glueless. 100%. I like that it doesn't have a lot of extra lace. That's what I really like about their wigs. And I didn't even bleach the hairline, but when I do bleach the hairline, I know it's gonna be fire. Okay, so it's looking good, but it's looking a little light. Under, I prefer to go underneath, but when I don't have my knots bleached, I'll go over. So that's the difference. Look at that. It's a glueless frontal wig. What the hell? Glueless frontal wig. Can you believe it? The only part that's playing us is this portion here. Doesn't really look glueless there. Contemplating leaving it glueless. That's why I'm doing this like detailing of the sideburns. I'm kind of like just trying to train the hair to lay down this way. Cover up that portion there. Yep, that's amazing. Are you guys seeing that? That's amazing. This hair is so beautiful too. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I don't think I've ever actually been able to wear a frontal wig glueless. This is like a game changer for me. I don't like wigs stuck to my face. Like, it's my preference to not have it stuck to my face. Anytime I can just choose like not to have it stuck and I can take it off at the end of the night, I'm gonna choose that always, because to me that's a win. This is a really beautiful wig. Some wax tip. I am thinking about securing the sideburns because it's not really giving me like finished.
So you got a pass, but I'm knowing life is fast. Everybody's got their...
That's not on. I'm like actually blown away at the quality. Just look at this up close. Wow, wow, wow.
path. Need you to meet me where I'm at. Can't see me through these tents. I bet they asking who is that. You see,
I'm gonna spray just right here.
yeah, what I'm on, but you don't know me like that. Don't come in and tease it. Without a plan to treat me a pleasing. I know what you needed. Let's not discuss it. Quiet with all of that fussing.
Yeah, so I think what we're gonna do is secure the sideburns and then leave everything else glueless. That's the plan. Let's just execute now. This wig pretty much comes ready to wear. You don't have to do anything to it. You can just put it on and you're good to go. Amazing. Like, do you see the quality of it? Wait till I straighten it. It's gonna be over for you bitches. Oh my goodness. This is the best hair I've received for a straight wig. Okay, Julia hair. Y'all know exactly what y'all doing over there. You're doing everything you're supposed to do. You delivered beyond my expectations. We don't even need the melt band because we're not melting her down. She's glueless. I'm sweating bullets in this outfit. And my studio is so hot. It's like a gazillion degrees. If I open my window, I'm worried the neighbors might hear me talking to myself. So, we're not that close yet.
This ain't what you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame.
You guys, it is so silky. Like, Glueless frontal wig.
Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bane making.
Because this bomb.com wig is actually 100% glueless frontal wig. I might have cheated a little bit. I just secured that. But if you want to take it all the way and do it glueless, you can just pop those sides up. I just really wanted those secure for my pics, but you can just pop those up back to 100% glueless. Are you kidding me? You want to take it off? You can take it off. Let me just break it down. So I love everything about it, but I'm gonna break down the specifics on why I love it. One, this is a fresh out of the box install. I didn't have to bleach the knots because it came ready for me. It came with a beautiful hairline. It was pressed out beautifully. It had some baby hairs that you can work with, and that is how it looks. Those are the knots pre-plucked and everything. The hair on this has to be one donor hair. I would think it's one donor hair because look at this. Like, it just does not get matted up. You can shake, 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 and it's still gonna go back into place. Look, shake, 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 shake. That is good hair, okay? That is good hair. When you can do this, and it just goes back into place like that, baby. This is the back for you guys. It's just beautiful. And when you're done, you just take it off. Wow, I love it. Off camera, I will bleach the knots because this is going to be a daily wig of mine. I am so impressed, you guys. Like, this is probably my favorite straight wig now to date. And we've had a couple on the channel, but this is the new favorite. And it's giving me styled length, so it's giving me extra long, extra bouncy. I love it. I love it so much. You guys definitely check this out. This wig is most definitely caviarkezzy approved. The lace is thin enough, but also strong enough that it's not going to tear, but it's not going to show through. I did put some like foundation along the hairline and it melted in. Like, look at that glueless, beautiful wig. Wow, 10 out of 10. Are you as obsessed with this wig as I am? Because I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Super impressed. A shout out to Julia Hair. Anywho guys, I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Go buy this wig. Thank me later. Bye.